Hello my dear students, this is plus 2 accounts class. Last week we have started chapter dissolution of partnership firm. This is the last chapter of the partnership topic. So mostly we have completed only one topic when journal entries are asked in the question, that pass the journal entry related to the transaction of dissolution. These journal entries are we have to pass after all the assets and liabilities have been transferred to the realization account. That in question, examiner will ask that pass a journal entry for the following transaction. It is assumed that all the assets and liabilities have been transferred to the realization account. Now, when we sell the any assets and we paid off any liability, then we have to pass a journal entry by realization account, because all the assets and liabilities account we have closed by transferring to the realization account. Okay, then let's start the journal entry topic at the time of dissolution. When any assets are sold, you can note down the journal entries. If any assets is sold, then we pass the journal entry bank account debit to realization account. This entry will be passed. Okay, and amount, which amount will come? At which amount we have sold that assets. Assume that furniture or book value of furniture is 50,000, but we have sold in market the furniture at 60,000. Then we will write here 60,000. That selling price we will write here, not the book value that is written in the balance sheet. Okay. When any assets is taken over by any partner, then in place of bank account, we will not receive any money. In place of bank account, we will write that partner's capital account debit to realization account. Fine. And when we give any assets for the payment of any liability, when we give assets for liability payment, then no entry will be passed for this transaction. But if that is given to you, that liability of rupees 1 lakh, we are giving assets of 60,000 and remaining amount in cash. Liability was rupees 1 lakh. We are giving one assets of rupees 60,000. For that no entry will be passed. But we are paying 40,000 in cash also. Then we will pass a journal entry realization for the cash payment. Realization account debit to cash account. For the assets we will pass no entry, but for the cash payment we will pass entry realization account debit to cash account. Fine. If we sell any unrecorded assets that is not recorded in the balance sheet, then same entry bank account debit to realization, whether it is a recorded or unrecorded. For the both assets, same entry will be passed bank account debit to realization. For the takeover, partner's capital account debit to realization, and for any assets we will give for the liability payment, then no entry. But if we will pay any cash with the assets, for that we will pass realization to cash account. Fine. Okay. Now for the liability, if any liability is paid, then we will pass the entry realization account debit to bank account. Liability paid. If liability take over by any partner, then we will pass the journal entry realization account debit to bank if will paid and to partner capital account if that liability is take over by the partner. If any partner take over the liability, then realization to partner capital account, because we will give money to the partners. For that they were paying any liability. If they are taking any assets, then we will take money from partner, then partner capital account will be debit. Same rule, if you have to take money from partner, then partner capital account will be debit. If you have to give any money to the partner, then partner capital account will be credit. Fine. Now for the partner loan, if we are making payment for the partner loan, then we will pass the entry partner loan account debit to bank, because partner loan is not transferred to the realization account. So while making the payment of partner loan, we will pass the journal entry partner loan account debit to bank account. Fine. If we are giving any assets to the partner for his loan, then partner loan account debit, that assets we have transferred to the realization account, then we will write to realization account. If we are giving any assets, full assets, say partner loan is 50,000 and we are giving assets of rupees 50,000, then partner loan account debit to realization amount will come here 50,000. But if partner loan is 50,000 and we are giving assets of 45,000 in full settlement, then 5,000 is the profit. Partner loan will be closed by 50,000. To realization we are giving assets of 45,000 and 5,000 profit, that also will be transferred to the realization account. So then also we will write here partner loan account debit to realization account. Okay. So keep in mind that if partner loan is paid by full amount, by less amount or by more amount, then same entry will be passed for all these three conditions: partner loan account debit to bank with amount of loan. एंट्री जो पास होगी वो पार्टनर लोन अकाउंट के अमाउंट से ही पास होगी, वेदर वी आर पेइंग लेस और मोर और सेम अमाउंट, सेम एंट्री विल बी पास partner loan account debit to realization account. If we are giving assets, then partner loan account debit to realization. If we are making payment, then partner loan account debit 50,000. We are making payment of 45,000 and 5,000 we will transfer to the realization account, because this is the profit of the firm. For the profit we will credit the realization account. For the loss we will debit the realization account. For example, we are paying interest of 2,000 on partner loan. Then partner loan is 50,000 and 2,000 interest we will take from the realization account. Debit 2,000 to bank, we will pay 52,000 we will pay them. Okay, if we are paying partner loan account with interest, then total amount we will pay 52,000, but loan was of 50,000, that 2,000 is because of interest. Now you will not open the interest account. We are closing the business. No new account will be open at the time of dissolution. We will take all the amount from the realization account. Okay, then we will make payment of 52,000. Okay, clear? Now, if any accumulate profit and accumulate loss are in balance sheet, for that which entry will be passed? For the accumulate profit that are shown in the balance sheet, profit will be transferred to the partner's capital account, and for profit we will credit the partner's capital account. For debit we will do that accumulate profit account debit to partners capital account. If two partners, then 2, if 3 and 3 in their profit sharing ratio. Fine. And for the accumulate loss, if any accumulate loss are there, then partners capital account debit, because we will take that loss amount from the partner, then we will debit the partner's capital account and credit that accumulate loss account. Fine. And realization expense entry we have discussed, and workman compensation entries also we have discussed in the first lecture. So now this chapter is complete. Now we will do some questions related to the journal entry. Open your book and do the illustration related to journal entry at the time of dissolution. Yes students, now we will start the example number 43 in your book. The statement is, Aman and Harsh were partner in a firm. They decided to dissolve their firm, pass a necessary journal entry for the following: after various assets and liabilities have been transferred to the realization account. We have to pass a journal entry after that transferring of all the assets and liability in the realization account. We no need to pass journal entry for the transfer of assets and liability into realization account. Okay, we have to pass a journal entry only transactions that are given after the transferring. First is, there was a furniture worth rupees 50,000. 50,000 का एक furniture था. Aman is the partner name, took over 50% of the furniture at 10% discount, and remaining furniture was sold at 30% profit on book value. It means total furniture was of rupees 50,000. Okay, and 50% of furniture, it means amount of 25,000 furniture was taken over by Aman. At which price? 10% less, 10% discount. 10% of 25,000 is 2,500. So we will deduct this. It will come 22,500. It means Aman has taken the furniture, half furniture at 22,500. Okay. Two entry will be passed for this. You can pass a combined journal entry also, that half furniture is taken by Aman and half furniture of 25,000 we have sold at a profit of 30%. 30% of 25,000, it is 7,500. Profit will be added and discount we have deducted. Then we have sold at amount 32,500. Okay, half furniture is taken over by Aman at 22,500 and half furniture we have sold at 32,500. Okay, then which entry will be passed? That is taken by Aman. For that we will debit the Aman's capital account, debit 22,500, and that we have sold, for that we will pass bank account debit 32,500 to, not furniture because we have closed the furniture account, to realization account. Fine. Then total of this is 55,000. Write the narration that furniture over by Aman. Okay, that is sufficient. Okay, this is date is not given, so you will write that number that is given to you. Now second journal entry is profit and loss account was show a credit balance of 15,000 which was distributed between the partner. Profit and loss account, credit balance. Credit balance means it is a profit. If it is given a debit balance, then it means it is a loss. Okay. Now profit is given, we have to distribute this profit to the partner. If we will distribute profit to the partner, then partner's capital account will be credit and we will debit the profit and loss account. It is a undistributed profit or accumulated profit, you can say. Profit and loss account debit to that partner name is given to us, Aman and Harsh. Capital account. In their profit sharing ratio. Profit sharing ratio is not given in the question, then it will be equal. 1:1. So distribute the 7,500 and 7,500. Okay. Write the narration. Distribute profit to the partner. Okay. Now see transaction. Harsh loan. Harsh is a partner. Harsh loan is 6,000 was discharged at 6,200. Loan was 6,000 but firm is paying 6,200. Loss is there of 200, loss is there. That we will take from the realization account. So if we will pay 6,000 ही हम pay करते, then we will pass that Harsh loan account debit 6,000 to bank. Okay, but now we are paying 6,200. That loss of 200 we will take from realization account, and for the losses realization account will be debit because it's a nominal account and all the losses are debit to bank account. 6,200. Write the narration for making payment to partners loan. Line. You have to make a proper performa for this. Journal performa. 5 columns are there. Okay. Now next transaction is the firm paid realization expense amounting to rupees 5,000 on behalf of Harsh, who had to bear these expense. It was a contract between Harsh and firm that Harsh will pay the realization expense. But now firm is paying that realization expense. Then firm will take that expense from Harsh. If we will take money from Harsh, then we will debit the Harsh capital account. So we will pass a journal entry for this. We will not take that realization expense from realization because it is the responsibility of Harsh to pay the realization expense. So we will take that expense from Harsh capital account. Amount is 5,000. Firm is paying, then we will pass to bank account. If it is written that it's the responsibility of Harsh and Harsh is paying, then no entry will be passed for this. Harsh की responsibility थी, Harsh ही pay कर रहा है, then it is a no role of firm in this transaction. But now here firm is paying, so we will write here Harsh capital account debit to bank. Okay. Now next journal entry is E. There was a bill of 1200 under discount. The bill was received from Sohan. It was in +1 you have done the chapter of bills of exchange. That bill was, उसकी बात हो रही है. एक bill था that Sohan has given to us and we have discounted that bill from the bank. Okay, that was the option ना कि we can discount that any bill receivable from bank if we are needed. Who proved insolvent? लेकिन Sohan was insolvent, then he hasn't paid that amount of bill to the bank. and first and final dividend of 25% received from his estate. So if firm will pay, then Soham will be insolvent, then firm will pay that bill amount to the bank. So two entry we will pass for this transaction, that when firm will pay the amount to bank, when bill was dishonor, realization account debit to bank account, amount is 1200, bill discounted dishonor. You know this thing that bill discounted is a contingent liability of the firm. If by chance that who has given to us that drawer is insolvent, then drawer has to pay the amount of money, amount of bill to the bank. Okay, if it is not insolvent, all was good, then we have to not pay the amount of bill to the bank, then that drawer will pay. Okay, so it can be a contingent liability. We have to, maybe in any condition हमें इसकी payment करनी पड़े. Okay, so here the contingent liability was arise, हमें payment करनी पड़ी बैंक को. Then we will receive that 25% of this from Soham. Then we will pass a journal entry, money is coming, bank account debit to not Soham. We will not open any new account. All the transaction will be passed through realization account. We are receiving 25%. 1/4 is this. 1/4 is this. 300. Okay. Write the narration for amount received from Soham estate. उसकी प्रॉपर्टी की ऑक्शन लगती है ना, यू नो दिस थिंग, व्हेन एनी पर्सन इज इंसॉल्वेंट देन ऑक्शन इज देयर फॉर द assets, all the assets of the insolvent person. Okay, next F is creditor to whom the firm owed 6000. क्रेडिटर था जिसको फर्म ने 6000 की पेमेंट करनी थी. एक्सेप्ट स्टॉक, उसने स्टॉक एक्सेप्ट कर लिया ऑफ 5000 एट ए डिस्काउंट ऑफ 5% एंड द बैलेंस इन कैश. I have told you that if we will give any assets for any liability, then no entry will be passed. But if we are paying any cash amount with the assets, for that we will pass a journal entry. Okay, that how much amount we are paying cash. We are, stock was of rupees 5000 and he has taken the stock at 5% discount, and 5% discount is 250. So stock of 5000 was taken over by the creditor at amount 4750. 5000 minus 250, 4050 में उसने वो स्टॉक रखा. We have to pay the amount 6000 to the creditor. Of this amount we have given stock, and remaining amount is 1250 that we will pay in cash. Okay, understand? For stock we will not pass any journal entry, but balance which are paying in cash, for that we will pass a journal entry, realization account debit to bank account. Amount is 1250. Write the narration for making payment to creditor. With stock. Okay. Now last transaction is that loss of realization was 8000. Realization loss, if any profit or loss due to realization, that we will transfer to the partner's capital account, distribute to the partner in their profit sharing ratio. So there is a loss of realization. For the loss, partner capital account will be debit, and partner name is given to you, Aman and Harsh. Capital account debit, which we are distributing realization loss, then we will write to realization account. Loss was of rupees 8000 and in equal ratio 4,000 we will distribute in Aman and Harsh. Write the narration for distribution of realization loss. Fine. So this is all about the journal entry at the time of dissolution. Yes students, now your chapter is complete. Till now we have completed 5 chapters. 3 you have done before vacation, and after summer vacation we have completed 2 chapters in the month of July. So now it's a time of revision side by side, and we will start the next book, company account, or for that we will first of all chapter of NPO, not for profit organization, that chapter we will do. Okay, but side by side we will revise that all these 5 chapters of partnership. So once a week there will be a test of only 10 questions. You have to revise only 10 questions in a week, that I will send you. Okay, so complete this chapter, all the journal entries. It's a 44 examples and 44 additional questions are there. So you have to do all the additional, not additional, practical question. You will do practical questions in your fair notebook. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.